Sorry, it's a little dark, but this is for the context of me singing. If I were singing, because, you know, uh, yeah. I'll be singing Star Spangled Banner, I think. Hold on, let me pull up the lyrics. I could freestyle for y'all, but I don't know. I don't know. Let me get the lyrics out for you. Yeah, white teeth, real pretty. Star Spangled Banner. Alright. Why didn't you just show me the lyrics? That was irritating. That's not the lyric. Oh. Google won't play with me. This is really... This is really confusing, because why are you not... Why is it not... Why are we not... Like, what's going on? Is it called Star Spangled Banner? Okay, I think I got it. Alright. Here we go. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose bright stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket dragged like the bomb bursting in air, say through to the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave, brave. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Congratulations to me. Alright, I think that'll be all the context. All the context y'all need. Ooh, this line cute. All the context y'all need for that video. But period. Because you know I can sing.